Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. I went to 2 different places today. I went to a place called Bobby's Department Store, which I'll hold up the bag. And I went to the Dollar Tree. I went to 2 different places today. I am in a different location right now. I'm in my mother's house. So I decided to stop at this place called Bobby's Department Store and the Dollar Tree to pick up some things that I thought that I might need in my mother's house. So if you'd like to see everything that I picked up, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I picked up at Bobby's Department Store. But let me take a break to just say that if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so now. You will be updated every time that I upload if you hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button. So go ahead and do so now if you haven't done so already. Join my little squad that I've got going on here. I'm going to be showing you guys lots and lots of nice stuff that I buy. Every time that I buy stuff, I try to make a video about it. So there's gonna be very, very cool videos coming up on different stores. If you don't already know, I live in Brooklyn, New York, And so most of my stores that I purchase things from are from New York City. So if you'd like to see everything that I buy and follow my journey, then you might want to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that, and hit this like button if you like my videos. So first I'm going to show you guys what I bought in Bobby's. If you do not know, Bobby's is basically a department store here in New York City. If you do not know, Bobby's have anything from house stuff to clothes, and I wanted to just see what they had there, so we went in today. And this is so crazy because they seal the bag with like a sticky tape. Okay, so first things first, I picked up this bottle of Windex. This is the multi-surface Windex. If you do not know, this is a disinfectant cleaner. It's multi-surface. It's not just for glass. So if you're having a hard time still finding disinfectant, this is a great purchase, I guess. It was only $3.69, and it says kills 99.9% of the germs. So I just picked that up. Then I picked up this bathroom cleaner, and this is the brand that they sell at the Dollar Tree, and I refuse to pay any more than $1 for this. This was 99 cents. This is just the bathroom cleaner. It says tubs, toilets, showers, sinks, basins, and more. And it has a lemon scent. I don't know how this works, but I just bought it to try it out in my mom's house. For the week I'm here, so I decided I'm going to be trying to clean up the place a little bit for her, so that way she doesn't have to worry about doing that. Then I bought this really big bottle of, I don't know how you say this word, but I'm gonna try. It's called Mistoline, and it was $3.99, and it's an all-purpose cleaner. This is kind of like Mr. Clean. It smells perfumey. I just bought this because I'm going to be mopping the floors, and it says that it cleans, deodorizes, and deodorizes. So yeah, $3.99, you can't beat that for this big bottle. In bag, I broke it open. I just picked her up this bathroom rug, and it's just this burgundy color. My mom's favorite lip shade is burgundy. Also, she was really in love with dyeing her hair burgundy for a long time, so I just picked this color up because I figured she would like it. So I got this for the bathroom, and this was only $3.99, which was a very good deal. She has a mop, but I picked up this microfiber twist mop refill. I hope that it fits her mop. I'm gonna see if it fits her mop. I don't know if this fits her mop, but I just figured you could probably put this on any mop, but I should have read it. This was $2.99, and I'm just gonna use this to mop the floors. And last but not least, I picked up this Mr. Clean, I just hit my lights. This Mr. Clean heavy duty broom. She needed a new broom, and this was $4.99. So I just picked this up so that I can go about my cleaning. So that was all the things that I got from Bobby's. Now I'm gonna move on to everything that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And we have these two big bags of items, and I'm just gonna pull out from it. Some of these are rebuys. I have bought some items before. Some of these are brand new purchases. So let's just jump right into it. So first, I wanted to get her some kitchen, what do you call these? Kitchen cloths and stuff like that. So I picked up these microfiber scrubbers, and I'm not sure if they use these for cleaning the countertops or whatever, but I decided to pick that up. Then I picked up these pot holders, and they're just in the color black because I couldn't decide. I didn't realize I picked up two of them. I couldn't decide what color to get for her. I just got black. Then I picked up this scrubby. The quality of this is way better than the ones that I've bought there before. I don't know if they switched up, but these are very good quality scrubbers for $1. opposed to in Target, I believe these are $2 and change. So I just picked this up. Then my little brother wanted a USB cable for his Xbox controller, so I picked up this USB cable, and it's this pretty color. I don't think he's gonna like it much because he's a teenage boy, and yeah, but I just got this color because this was the only one that they had with this USB what do you call this, USB head for the Xbox controller. So yeah. Then I got this scrubbing brush. I have one at home, but I do not have one here. Like I said, I'm staying in my mother's house, so to wash Jazzy and Jackson's bottles, I use a scrubbing brush, and this was $1, so I just picked it up. And it has the big brush on this side and the little one for the nipples and stuff like that. So yeah. I also picked up this kitchen towel, and it says keep life simple, and it has the black detailing and it's white, and I just thought that this would complement the pot holders very nicely. Then we managed to find some disinfectant sprays at the Dollar Tree. We haven't seen these ever since COVID had started. We have not seen these at our local Dollar Tree, and so now that we've seen that they had a few of them, we wanted to pick some up just to have them just in case. So this says kills 99.9% of the germs, and it sanitizes in 20 seconds, kills most germs, eliminates odors, and prevents mold and mildew. And this is just the Country Rain scent. And we also picked up the linen scent. So can't go wrong, $1. This is a rebuy, but like I said, I'm trying to help my mom out by cleaning up a little bit. So I bought these heavy duty large gloves, and I really love these gloves just because whenever I clean, I like to put on gloves so that my hands are not touching the germs. So I picked up one for hair. This was a brand new find. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree. And this is an organizer with a lid. It's this acrylic case. They had tons of acrylic cases. I almost picked up a bunch, but then Jason was like, do you need all of that? And I was like, no. So I picked this one up for my sister Sarah. She does not have a place to put her hair ties, and so I figured I would pick up one of these just so that she has a place to store all of her hair accessories so that she doesn't lose them. And then speaking of hair accessories, I picked up a couple of packs of elastics. I picked her up 2 of these elastics pack, and they're just the multicolored. They did not have the black ones, so I had to pick a colorful pack up for myself as well. But I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll give this to Sarah also, because I don't really like tying my hair with multicolored elastics, so I might just give her all 3 packs of these. Then I found this brand, Scunci. I don't know how you say it, but these are scrunchies from this brand, and you usually find this brand in Target and CVS and stuff, and I just said let me pick it up. I thought that Sarah would think that this would be nice to put in her hair. So it's a 2-pack, and it was only $1. Then we picked up this pack of cherry swirl lollipops. Jackson has been very into lollipops. He's a toddler, so this is kind of the first time that he's able to have those things. So we kind of like to keep treats around the house just in case we have a bad day and we need a lollipop to cheer him up. Then I picked up this pack of emery boards, and I need them because my nails are a bit crazy. I've been attempting to do my nails myself, and they're not turning out the way that I want it to be. So I'm just gonna keep it kind of short and neat. And I picked this up just to have it here so that I can fix my nails. Now moving on to snacks. We did pick up quite a bit of snacks because I have younger siblings. I have 4 siblings, but we are in the house with 3 of them. Sarah, who's 8, Josh, who's 15, and Timothy, who is 21. He still loves to snack all the time, so we decided to pick up a couple of snacks for everybody. We picked up these packs of Oreos, and they have the right amount of serving per pack, and it's 4 packs in here. So there's about 8 cookies in this big pack, which is perfect for, like I said, each pack is perfect for 1 serving, and we picked up 2 of those. Then if you've seen one of my Dollar Tree hauls before, then you know my boy loves these chips. These are just the Lay's Stacks cheddar flavored chips. Jackson loves these chips. He enjoys them so much. He snacks on them all the time. And sometimes they're even kind of like a treat. Sometimes when he's really upset, we can get him to stop crying by just offering him some of those chips. He loves them so much. Tons and tons of beef patties. We bought 1 per person, so we picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We picked up 5 of them. I think 4 of them is jerk chicken flavored, and then 1 of them is this mild beef flavor. Then I picked this up just because it is a brand name and I saw it at the Dollar Tree. These are $1. Can you believe that? This is a full 20 ounces of Hunt's ketchup, and it was $1. So I picked up a bottle from my mom's house. I don't know if she has ketchup, but now she does. Then I picked up 4 cans of tuna fish. I figured that this would be a nice little something to whip up when we are hungry over here. I can just do a huge bowl of tuna salad, and everybody can probably have some sandwiches or something, or eat them with crackers. So we picked up 4 cans of this Star Kiss chunk like tuna. Then I picked up this Planters honey roasted peanuts because I figured, I don't know, I was just in the mood for something snackish, and I thought that this would be a little more, it's not healthy, but it's a little bit healthy, if you know what I mean. Then I picked up this scrubby brush. This is just so that I can try to clean my mother's bathtub. So I just picked this up because it's $1, and when I'm done with it, she could probably just toss it if she doesn't want it anymore. Okay, last but not least of the snacks, we picked up this Sonic Cherry Limeade Ice Pop. Jackson has been loving ice pops this summer, so we just picked these up for him. We picked up this box too. This one is the Philly Swirl Sticks, and it's just in the cotton candy flavor. This brings 6 ice pops, and this one brings 8. And they were a really good deal for just $1 a box. That is it for my little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment down below what you like to pick up at your local Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.